Hello, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of sauerkraut, and let me tell you, we found something truly exceptional. Get ready, because we're about to explore what many are calling the best sauerkraut Whole Foods has to offer. Introducing Libby's Crispy Sauerkraut. With its classic barrel-aged tangy sour taste, crunchy texture, and translucent golden color, this sauerkraut is a game-changer. Made from shredded white cabbage, salted, fermented, and hot-packed, Libby's has been delivering top-notch quality for over 60 years. Let's unpack why this sauerkraut stands out from the rest. Now, let's talk details. Each 8-ounce can of Libby's Crispy Sauerkraut is packed with flavor and freshness. Manufactured by Seneca Foods Corporation, this product ensures quality every step of the way. Plus, with its compact package size, it's easy to store and enjoy whenever the craving strikes. Whether you prefer heating it on the stove or popping it in the microwave for a quick fix, Libby's makes it effortless to enjoy. Simply heat, season to taste, and serve. It's the perfect side dish for your favorite meals or a flavorful addition to recipes. Now, let's talk health benefits. With just 3 simple ingredients, prepared cabbage, water, and salt, Libby's Crispy Sauerkraut is a wholesome choice. Plus, sauerkraut is rich in probiotics, making it a gut-friendly option for those seeking digestive support. And rest assured, this product is labeled to United States standards, ensuring consistency and quality. However, as with any food product, it's essential to check for any allergen warnings and read the packaging carefully. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best sauerkraut Whole Foods has to offer, look no further than Libby's Crispy Sauerkraut. With its classic flavor, convenient packaging, and wholesome ingredients, it's a pantry staple you'll love having on hand. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the products you love. Until next time, happy eating!